Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and I've got a great set of products for you today. Absolutely amazing, probably the best headphones I've ever used. Is that possible? They just keep making better products, and these are the best of the best so far. They come to us from two cans, and normally I don't like to do like an unboxing. I test things out, and I have tested these out, but I wanted you to actually see the box because this is a very clever box, really stylish, sophisticated, and chic, if you will. So what's the story with these? They come from two cans, and this is, I believe the headphones are called the 2-1, and it took me way too long to realize that that is a 2-can on it. Now, as you know, I'm a bit of an audiophile. All the walls here have different artists. I've got a John Lee Hooker, Willie Nelson art. I've got Johnny Cash over there, and on the far side, that is Jimi Hendrix. The record of the week, because I change this out and put a different record up sometimes, you see right behind me is a record that's Arlo Guthrie, Alice's Restaurant, played oftentimes at Thanksgiving. If you've ever heard that song, it's like 20 minutes long and it's amazing, but that's an old school record up on my slot machine. Got a Donner guitar just on the edge of the screen, which you may be able to see. And over here is the keyboards and everything like that. I'm a representative for Donner Guitars and Donner Deals. So 2 cans, check this out. They sent me the best headphones around, and like I said, I feel like I'm a little bit of an expert. You open up the box, and this is just a really cool box. You open it up like this, and like this, and inside is cloth wrapped, really nice headphones. And I've got a couple sets of these. I've already taken them out. I've already messed with them quite a bit, but these are really stylish and sophisticated, really chic headphones. Let's see if I can show you. I'm gonna go around to where you can see how they look on my head. I think they look very nice. They are noise canceling. You can't hear anything when you have them on, and they do tell you left and right on the inside.